Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out of Activision account on Call of Duty Cold War. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So if you have been wondering how you can actually log out account at Call of Duty Cold War from Activision, it is a very easy process. For that, all you have to do is access your browser, type it in activision.com and get into the official website and simply sign in as well. Once you have done that process accordingly, all you have to do is tap on your profile on top, and once you have done so, you will be able to find this kind of interface, right? So here in this section you can see we do have this option of account linking on top over here, and which includes all of the linked accounts that we have. So let's say if you have been playing your Call of Duty Cold War on your PlayStation and your account is linked, all you have to do is tap on this unlink option as we have done for Xbox Live account. For example, if you do have your account connected here in Xbox as well, you can also choose to tap on unlink and unlink it with. So these are the options for your account to be connected with here in this Activision. All you have to do is simply tap on this option of unlink and unlink your account with that, and that way you will simply be able to get logged out of if you are in. So this is a simple process for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.